We have very little time before we go racing.
We need to get the Porsche finished and ready to drive.
Do we even have time to do all this?
Every week we find some form of racing or adventure and we bring those stories to you.
I'm Max.
I'm Sean.
I'm Kyle.
And I'm Brian. Welcome to AGM. Step one, wire this. Okay. I think the push to talk will go on the left side so you can shift. Yep. Push to talk while you're doing that. And then I am going to lift it up. I'm going to do the starter, catalyst mount, the brake bias adjustment. We got stickers. Brake pads are not here yet, so we can't do that. There's a handful of other stuff. We'll find it on the list and just keep going.
And we're
going to do this.
And we're 2 weeks?
I don't even. We have lots of hours. That's all that matters.
Okay.
Days, we got hours. That's a starter.
Look at that. So what does that do?
Do you know what this is?
A starter?
This is the other side of the starter. This turns electrical energies into kinetic motion. You turn this fast enough, it sees the position of the crank by the sensor up there, then it does some fancy electrical stuff, and something catches on fire, and then the engine starts. I have to switch to a different type of device.
I'm just here doing tiny, tedious work. Got it.
Got it. Got it. She's coming. Oh my God,
Okay,
it's a boy.
There it is. Let's go see if it's the same
It looks like the other one.
Kind of does, right?
older.
Why does it look smaller?
No. Okay, old one.
7.7.
Okay, new one. Oh no. Leave it in. No, I'm just kidding, it doesn't work.
Okay. Oh wow, these are... Is this for the right car? Let's fucking try it.
All right. So you're trying to loosen the solenoid that's in there?
I am gonna try to clock this. Always mark it that way. If you do, just totally wreck the whole thing. You can go back. Man, they make these super shallow. It's almost like they don't want people to remove them.
You're stopping before it strips?
Yeah. And I don't want to weld something to it because then I'm gonna wreck the fucking bolt.
I think you just gotta try it and then...
Heck yeah, bro.
So it fits in there, but it's closer to the exhaust?
Yeah, closer to the exhaust, and the solenoid is clocked totally different.
Right.
Which may prove to be an issue when we install the wiring. Time to do dumb stuff. You guys think the warranty's still good on the starter? You're gonna have to cut this off like a lot.
Uh-oh.
I broke it all.
Oh no, what was that?
I was trying to sand it, so I kept it as a divider between the posts. Kyle, we gotta find somewhere else we can pull 2 pounds out of this.
I'm trying to eat healthy, bro.
All right, we got some of that weight back out. Okay. And that does not touch that. Look at that. All right, Max, what's next on our list?
Okay.
Find the list.
Is the starter done?
Yeah, bro, we fucking make shit happen over here. Replace starter. Boom.
Oh.
Brian, does the starter work?
I mean, it's there.
Brian?
What are you looking for?
Oil leak. We'll lower it down, check it out from the top since we gotta go that way anyways. Okay, open the hood, see what the leak is, add that to our list, move on to the next thing. It's like whatever that is, it is leaking. I wonder if it's some kind of plug, so we'll pull that out later and see if we can silicone that. All right, next on the list.
So what's this gonna do for us?
Remote brake bias adjuster. I'm gonna climb under there and see what's doing. Okay, go ahead and feed it to me slowly. I'm gonna need a super stubby. Hey, Kyle?
Kyle's not here at the moment.
Hey, Sean?
Yes.
I am gonna need two things. A 13mm deep socket 3/8 drive on a ratchet if that's possible. And then a very stubby 13mm combination wrench. And it doesn't work. I'll keep working. You come on back now. Come on back real soon. I dropped it.
What are we holding?
But I got it off. The thing that I couldn't get from underneath, the broken piece. Look at this. That is not factory. Look at what is that? What is that?
What is that?
They're like, I don't know, that broke. That's so weird. That's never broke before. It's like someone heated up metal in a spoon and just dripped it onto the two pieces to try to fix it. Let's go do the same thing. What do you think? Does that look straighter? The thing broke again.
Really?
Yeah, it's been repaired a few times, so we're just gonna have to replace it. So that is to be continued. I can do a windshield sticker. What I like to call a 30-30 sticker. It looks amazing from 30 feet away while the car's going 30 miles an hour. We're going crazy style, we're not even marking. Sean has a helmet here. We can plug his in, go outside with the other radio and do a radio check.
Check 1 2, check 1 2. Bryan Little, get a copy.
Loud and clear. You copy me? 1 2 1 2.
Got you loud and clear. We got race car radios now.
Cool, we are good to go here. We can put all this shit together.
The wiring that we did on the steering wheel works good. All the wiring to the radio works good. Moving on. Moving on. Over.
Well, at least we successfully completed a one project.
In just a few days from now, we'll be at Chuckwalla racing the Porsche.
It's all of our first times racing the Porsche. How do you think we're gonna do? Comment below. Hit the checkered flag in the bottom corner to subscribe.
And next week, Kyle and Max head to the Mexico border with everybody's favorite redneck, Hubert from Nitro Circus.
See you next Tuesday.
Gotta make sure it's real clean.